and every person have no money. Yes, but every person want to need. I have to learn English language. That's why who is free of course and learn not. That's it. Is good. No, with pay well, there is not good.
Yes.
Or not.
Join first these. So we are meeting second time. So please introduce
Yes, yes.
yourself a little bit for my viewers.
Okay. Why not? Thank you giving this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Mukesh Kumar Pasan from Nepal. If talk about my education, I have done CMA from Cinema Institute of Technology, Rajgrat, Saptari, Nepal. I have done also graduate from Tirupati University, KTM, Nepal. If talk about my working, I am working in health post. I am a health person. I have a government job. And if talk about hobby, searching on new things, make new friends. If talk about my aim, I want to be a doctor. That's all about me. Can you introduce yourself?
Nice. Okay, I am Tanya. I'm joining you from India, Rajasthan. I am a homemaker. And my hobby
Yes.
is watching good movies, doing conversation, and playing badminton. That's all
Yes,
about.
yes.
So, how is the weather
That's
of
great.
Nepal right now?
Weather is clear and sunny at this time. Little bit
Mm-hmm.
feeling hot, but there is not a lot of hot, just like as sunny. So why there is no a lot of cool?
My area, there is raining from last night,
Oh,
and that is
it
too cold.
was raining.
Yes.
Oh,
Right.
the after then a lot of cool there.
Mm. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So tell me one thing. There right now there are two modes, online and offline. Okay. You can
Yes.
get education from online mode and offline mode. So according to you, which mode is more better, more good for you? Which option is more better for you? Online or offline?
I think online.
Why?
Yes.
Why you feel so?
Online means different kinds of peoples.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, different places and different thought persons,
Mm-hmm.
and we get different kinds of knowledge in one time. And if you talk about offline, there is one teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you can share your one teacher and the students only. But in online, a lot of teachers.
Yes.
Yes, they all are experiences most,
Mm-hmm.
and then can to learn easy online. And if offline there is only one teachers, they cannot. Their teacher can be teachers, but they have no experiences a lot. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
this is the difference between a lot of and online education means if you have no time, yes,
Mm.
then time you can use it.
Yes, you can watch
Suppose
recorded videos also.
yes, suppose you are in home, but
Mm.
you don't want to go town area, you don't want to go any places there, that times you can't learn anything. But
Yes.
online is available, then you can learn from home. Yes,
Mm.
so
Yeah.
online is most important and beneficial, better than offline, I think.
Yes, because nowadays we are very busy person. Sometimes it is necessary to earn for family, and sometimes
Yes,
we are
yes,
not able to go in the classroom, physically go
yes,
in
yes,
the classroom. So that time online education is really important. Really, I can say very beneficial for us.
yes, yes,
Yes, and
definitely.
nowadays there is one story is spreading over the internet, and this is belong from Nepali couple. Okay. Yes.
Nepali couple, which
Famous YouTuber and influencer also. They are husband and wife, Srijna and Vivek.
is she's Pakistani.
No, no, no. They are. Nepali couple, and for
Oh, they
higher
are Nepali.
education, yes, for higher
Yes,
education,
yes.
they went USA. But in the
Okay.
USA, Srajna, Sanjana found that his husband was suffering from brain tumor, third
Yes,
stage.
yes, yes,
And yes, she, served her husband, and she made some reel. She was very
yes, yes, yes.
devoted to her husband. And after some time, now her husband is expired.
Oh my God.
Yes. So this Nepali couple is nowadays viral on the internet.
Okay. I don't
Yes.
listen about them. Okay, you are saying me, but I am don't listen. Who is where? I don't
No,
know about it.
same like if you really very, I can say like you really love some person, then you will fully devoted to that person.
Yes, 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 yes.
And
Yes,
Srijana has
devoted.
proved this thing.
Okay,
Everyone is admiring that girl.
okay.
Yes. Hmm. So, like, what kind of personality are you? Introvert, extrovert? What kind of personality are you?
Sorry?
I'm saying, are you introvert or extrovert? Intro.
Introvert
Are you
and
intro?
extrovert.
Yes. What kind of personality are you?
I think intro.
Introvert.
I don't understood. Intro means what do you mean? Intro.
Introvert means who speaks less. Okay. And sometimes he is
Wait.
not able to express his thoughts to their friends, family members.
Yes,
You
yes,
know,
yes, yes.
shy person. I can say shy person.
Who is a
And
speak less? Who is a
yes,
speak less? There, that means intro. Who is a
yes.
speak a lot? That means extro.
Ex-
I am
or
intro. I am intro. I don't speak a lot.
okay.
If
You
any
feel
persons if any
like
persons call me after, then I speak. There is no speaking a lot. Just
oh,
we have to need. I can speak.
because of this personality, did you face any problem? Because
No, no,
mostly
no.
person facing some problems. Like sometimes they are not able to mingle the parties, groups,
Yes,
friends
yes.
groups. Did you also face the problem because of
No, no,
this
no. No
personality?
any problem. No, I am free at this time, and my I have no any problem. I am finally clear.
Okay.
Yes,
So
I
nowadays,
am
how is
happy
your
mood. I am happy mood.
okay? Do you also watch movies? Movies.
Yes, sometimes I watched
Mhm.
movie.
What kind of
Yes.
movie do you watch?
Basically Nepalese and on sometimes Hindi.
Sometimes Hindi. So who
Yes,
is your
yes.
favorite actor in Hindi cinema?
Uh, Indian actor.
Uh, yes.
Yes,
Do you know?
means Salman Khan and
Mhm.
another is Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay. Do you okay, you like um Big B. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Tell me any movie of Big B.
Sorry,
Any movie name of Big B. Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan movie like as Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Oh, Kabhi Khushi
Yes,
Kabhi Gum. Why you
yes,
like this movie? Why did you like this movie?
yes, yes, yes. This is family pictures.
Okay,
Famous.
you like mostly family picture.
Yes, yes,
Yes, it's a family picture, and really this picture was, I can say, everyone like this picture, and songs are really very
yes,
good.
yes, yes.
Hmm. And you also like Salman Khan.
Yes.
And who is your favorite actress?
If actress Kajal and Aishwarya.
Aishwarya. Mostly people like
Yes.
Aishwarya Rai.
Yes. But she has make a lot of films and she looks like beauty.
Hmm.
That's causes. Yes. She's the miss of the world or not?
Yes, she has won the title of Miss World also. She is
Yes.
former Miss Universe.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, she is extremely beautiful and she is, I can say she is beauty with brain.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
So, how many sessions are you taking in a whole day right now?
Only 3, 2. I have
Mm,
no time a lot. Okay, and I have office return back. Sometimes I have that times I send message and some person connected. And then one two. You are first today for.
mm. Okay, did you also observe your improvement?
Yes, agree. Yes, definitely. Before than better something.
Mm,
First of all, in first time I am very hesitation. I don't speak
mm,
fluently like as something. But
mm.
now I have no hesitation, I have no fear, and just talking with friends like as.
Okay. So
Okay,
tell me
so
one
no any
thing. Mm. Tell me one thing. According to you, if someone is beginner, okay, so then they should
yes.
join any tutor or co-learner. What will be more beneficial for that person?
If beginners,
Yes. If
yes,
someone is beginner, yes.
yes, yes. Co-learner
Like,
means co-learner
I've
means
seen
I don't know.
there are so many co-learners on the Skype application. Every day you can do practice, and there are so many, good platforms. They are charging some amount also, and there are
Okay.
tutors. So which will be useful in the beginning stage for any learner. Beginning stage.
Yes,
They
yes.
should go to the tutor.
Means co-learner who is paying. Yes.
Yes.
Beginner means free of cost.
Yes, like there
No.
are so many beginners who are doing beginners, intermediates who are doing every day, conversation. And suppose you are
Yes.
a beginner. Suppose you are a beginner.
Yes, yes,
So,
I understood. Who is free? Who is taught? Who is free? Then they are good. And every person have no money. Yes. But every person want to need. I have to learn English language.
hmm,
Uh, that's why who is free of course and learner that's
hmm.
it is good. No, who is pay well there is not good
Yes.
for beginner.
Join first these kind of learners, and first they
Yes,
should do their agitation. They should do
yes,
some confidence, and after feeling
yes,
this, if they have good amount of money and time,
yes,
then they should join these kind of platforms and tutors also.
yes, definitely, definitely.
Because in the beginning stage, everyone is not comfortable with the tutor.
Yes.
Yes,
Everybody has hesitation, everybody have fear, but that times if any charge anything, though already they are afraid a lot, and
yes,
that person need who is helping without free, and many causes can less spelling word meaning, then can suggest and
mm,
free of cost and free of suggestion, then will be understood.
yes. If you have good amount of money and you have time and you are feeling now, you should go with tutor. Then you should join any tutor for their
Yes,
feedback.
yes,
Yes.
yes,
So
yes.
it's time to wind up this session. I hope you also enjoyed this conversation again.
Okay, thank you. Nice to talk to with you. Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.